Welcome. Today, we're unraveling the secret to adding a playlist to your smart IPTV. First, make sure your smart IPTV app is installed on your smart TV or media device. Next, navigate to your app's homepage and locate the Add Playlist option in the Settings menu. To proceed, you need your playlist URL, which can be found in your IPTV provider's dashboard. Enter your playlist URL into the designated field and ensure it's correctly typed to avoid errors. Once entered, select the Add or Save button to upload your playlist to Smart IPTV. The playlist will begin to load, allowing you to access a multitude of channels thereafter. Let's enhance your viewing experience with a promoted playlist from 2TV. Store, the top IPTV provider. Visit 2tv.store to find affordable packages and enjoy additional premium content effortlessly. With the added playlist, navigate through channels to customize your smart IPTV experience. Explore various genres from entertainment, sports, to documentaries, and more at your convenience. Streamlined access to global content lies at your fingertips, showcasing Smart IPTV's incredible power. To ensure uninterrupted service, keep your app and playlist details updated with regular checks. Experience seamless viewing and immerse yourself in endless options as you browse Smart IPTV. Never settle for less when you can enhance your entertainment through intuitive playlist management. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more exciting digital entertainment tips and updates.